Hello everyone. So in this semester, I will be the instructor of this embedded system course. So before we come up with the main lecture of this course, I would like to introduce some basic information about this course. This includes the course objective, course learning outcome, grading policy, and so on. So here is my personal information. My name is Hoang-Anh, so you can contact me during this semester for anything related to this course. Okay. Um, Basically, this course will provide some basic knowledge and also related uh, topic of the embedded system. And after complete this course, the student are expected to be able to interpret the embedded software development process. So it's very important because this is the design methodology. The student have to understand and also can apply into the real application. The second outcome is the student can express the software design idea in form of the flowchart and state machine. So as you know, the flowchart and state machine are two conventional methods to represent the algorithm and the system. And especially in the embedded system, the state machine is a very useful method to represent the operation of the system. The next outcome is the student can apply the round robin and event driven model to develop an embedded software. They are the programming model. Okay, so I think you are familiar with round robin or event driven already. Okay, and finally, the student can explain the real-time constraint in embedded system application. As you know that for the most embedded system application, the time response is very critical. So that is the reason why this is an important content you will be introduced in this course. So beyond this course objective and also the course learning outcome, so in order to help the student can achieve the outcome, I construct or build the lecture beyond the content, including the following topic. Yeah, you will be introduced about the concept and definition of the embedded system, the characteristics of embedded system, and also the metrics that will be used to evaluate the embedded system. You are also will be introduced about the architecture of the embedded platform. So, how many components in an embedded platform architecture and how they communicate together and what are they? Okay. An essential content in this course is the embedded system development process. So that's the design methodology the student have to understand as much as possible because you will apply this process to do the project or even for the thesis procedure, especially for the computer engineering student. And two conventional programming model will be introduced. After that, they are round robin, event driven. And also in order to achieve the real-time response, we can utilize the real-time operating system to help us to handle the time processing. Okay. Um, Flowchart and state diagram, yeah, also will be introduce how we apply a flowchart and state machine to describe the operation of the system, or how we describe an algorithm in flowchart. And finally, some immersion technology topic will be introduced. Uh, they are almost related to embedded system. Okay, so here the grading policy for this course. Yeah, I think all students are interested to see this. Your final grade will be evaluated based on 3 parts. One is the lab. It includes the lab report, lab assignment, and your activity during lab hour. So it took 30%. So remember, it's very important. Okay. And we have 2 exams. One is midterm, it takes 20%, and another one is final exam, it takes 50%. So in this course, the project is optional, so it's not compulsory. However, I suggest you to do project. The first reason is you can get bonus score if your result is great. Okay. But the main reason I suggest you to do project is that you can apply the knowledge and also the skill in the real project. So that makes you have the good feeling to study the course. Okay. For the project idea, you can propose by yourself. No limitation. Anything. If you don't have any idea, don't worry. Just go to website here. There are plenty of idea for the embedded project and also IoT. Okay. Or you can select one of the topic I will show you at the end of this material. Okay, for the textbook, this is technology course. Okay, so therefore the content will be updated frequently, and there are no main textbooks. However, some basic content on knowledge in this lecture I use from this textbook. Okay, you can download this ebook from this website, and it's free, so it's very convenient for you for self-studying and further reading. For the lab, so in this semester I will use a new embedded board compared with the previous course. Okay, this embedded board based on the ES2020 MCU. Okay, so if you are familiar with the ESP8266, so it's very easy to do with the ESP32. However, ESP32 can be considered as an upgrade version of the ESP8266, because ESP32 not only supports Wi-Fi, it also supports Bluetooth. So it's very convenient to develop some kind of mobile device, or that's extend the capability to create a connection with other devices. Okay, the previous lab related to the Intel edition will be also provided. However, the hardware or the embedded board in our labs is a very old one, and they will not support from Intel anymore for the software upgrade or something like that. And also the the free flow are limited, so that's the reason why I switched to the new board. So for the MCU, ESP32 is similar to the Arduino, so you can use with the various type of the free flow or sensor or motor or so on. Another one I also introduced to you an embedded board that you can consider to use at home. This is the microbit, because the microbit have the very powerful software and very convenient for the user. You can do everything on the software before you download the program into the hardware. Okay. Here is some criteria for evaluate your project. I mean, this is only for students who do the project in this course. However, the criteria is very important, and also it's same with the criteria for evaluating your thesis in the future. Therefore, if you do project, you have to change to practice how we make the reports, how we make the presentation, how we create the poster, and also the demonstration. Okay, so it's very useful for you in the future. For the topic I will present in this course is also includes robot operating system, real-time operating system. Android is very useful operating system developed by developed by Google, and you can integrate the Android application in this operating system easily. Another topic is the cyber physical system. Actually, this is the real term of embedded system now. Okay. Yeah, one very hot topic also will be presented in this course is the Internet of Things. I think you can see everywhere now. Okay, as I mentioned, here is some project topic you can consider to choose for doing project. However, if you look at the project topic here, is very big project. But in this course, you have to scope. I mean, we have to select some main function of the system we will implement. That means we don't need to implement whole system. The key thing is that you have to apply the design methodology. For example, the development process, step by step you apply the process to do the project. But the real function you implement, you have to scope. Okay, so don't worry about this. Okay, so that is all information about this course. So if you have any question or if anything not clear, you can ask me and we can discuss more before we go to the lecture.